Next ay triangle. Color orange na lang. Triangle. Are. Dito. Ito. Triangle. Color. Sige. Very good. Inside only. Inside only. Inside only. Good job. Ay ba, isa lang. Dito lang si triangle. Next ay green naman. Ang ears. Green. Ears. Dito sa ears. Ears. Buster. Hindi, ang pag-hold ay ganito. Yan, para masanay ka. Yan, go. More pa, more. Very good. Next. Red naman yung timba. Oh, red. Color? Red. Oh, doon, sa timba. Timba, red. Oh, wag galawin ang table. Oh, color na lang yung timba. Color. Ay, ang galing. Very good. Ay, wag ilabis na lang. Inside only. Color. Red. Very good. High five.